don't know what's going on with me. What in the heck is happening? Good morning, beautiful besties. Welcome to Vlogmas, day 6, I believe, and we're picking day 5. We're gonna go 5 through 10. It is early. I'm just getting out of bed. For some reason this morning, you guys, I feel like I want to cook breakfast, and I want to make pancakes for some strange reason. I don't know if it's gonna happen. So here's day 5. I hope you're able to see with the lighting. If you've been here before, for some reason I love doing this in the dark. I don't know why, it's just fun. I'll bring my candle over. Okay, let's see what day 5 is. Oh my goodness, why do they keep giving me stuff with these type of names that I can't pronounce? This is day 5. It looks like a beauty face serum. So I'll give this a whirl. So that is day 5. Day 6, where are you? Okay, day 6, you're on. Here is day 6. Oh, there's the card. The card for day 6. Oh, is this what I think it is? Okay, I've tried this before. I have tried this before, and this is really good. This is by Lancôme. Yeah, this right here is by Lancôme. A facial serum. This is a facial serum that helps with the skincare. It has vitamin C in it that helps to straighten and brighten and moisturize skin barriers. So that's what this is. It reduces fine lines and wrinkles, and it helps to hydrate, helps plump out uneven skin tone, and reduces fine line and wrinkles. Okay, we're definitely gonna give this a whirl. I've tried this before though, but I didn't have a full-size bottle. I just had a sample. But this right here is pretty good. Day 7, where you at? Oh, day 7 is looking big. Excuse you. Come on, day 7. Day 7. Card 7. Oh, I love Charlotte Tilbury. Okay, day 7 is a Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. I've used this forever, and it also looks like something else is in here. Is this a mascara? What is this? Yep, a mascara. Pillow Talk mascara. I have used both of these before. I already know that I like them. If you need a good skincare, something very hydrating, especially with it being really cold, and with it being, you know, just something very high moisturizing, Charlotte Tilbury, I will give her that. Well, I haven't found any product from her that I really don't like, skincare or makeup. But yeah, I've used her skincare line for years and I absolutely love it. So I know that that's good. Also, you guys, that Dongenbee facial oil that I showed you in a couple of videos ago, bomb.com. Thank me later. Day 8, we coming for you. Show us something good. Day 8. Ooh, BVLGARI. Ah, is this a fragrance? Oh my god. I think it's a fragrance, you guys. Let's see. BVLGARI? Yes, it is. Okay, are they giving us some notes in it? It's a rich floral fragrance that has iris in it. It's powdery, kind of earthy, smooth. It says that it's sensual. It has a little bit of citrus in it, and it's a very mild fragrance. Luminosity, I think it said. Did I just rip that? I did. Oh, I like the bottle. Let's look at that up against the light. How pretty is that? She likes it. And it's BVLGARI, darling. I'm probably butchering that up too. All right, let's spray it. I hope it's a spray and not a roll-on. Oh, perfect. Okay, let's see here. The dry down is sweet. It's getting a tad bit sweeter, but the initial, I can't even talk. The initial has a lot of citrus in it. This is the name of the fragrance, and it's Eau de Parfum. It is a 0.34 fluid ounces. So it's a 10 ml. And off initial spray, it smells like outside in the trees. I don't know. Off initial spray, that would be a no for me. But I mean, I don't know. I may play with it, but just off initial, yeah. Let me smell it again. Hold on. It's had some, let me put it back and smell it again. It's had some time to simmer down, darling. Yeah, no. It's not giving no sexy. It's giving zero sexy. Let's just be clear on that. So, no. Let me know if you're a fan of that. If you absolutely love it. If you've tried our eighth pick, let me know if you're a fan of number 8. If you've tried that fragrance, if you picked it. For me, I'm going to pass. It is a no ma'am. No sir. It's a no. Okay, we move on. Day 9. Where are you? Here you go. Day 9. Oh, I think I'm gonna like this. This is an Advanced Youth Water Oil. I have been so into skincare lately that it is crazy. Guerlain, darling. And it is a water oil. I like their packaging. Ooh, and it's a travel size. I could take this with me. I've been planning a trip that I have here coming up, and I've got all my miniatures that I'll be taking with me for skincare. Let's see the consistency of it. Oh, it is like a water oil. You see that? It's not too, are you guys able to see that? Probably not. So yeah, it's not greasy at all. The consistency of it, that's definitely given more of a watery base type of consistency over oil. So yeah, that might be nice. I feel like putting some of this on right now. I don't know, lately when I've been waking up, my face has been so tight and dry, and when I go to bed, I am slathering my oils and stuff on, but it's still kind of, you know, tight. All right, okay, day 10. What are you giving us? What do we have? Oh my gosh, I think it's something I'm gonna like. Here's a card for day 10. Let's see what we got. Oh, it's a fragrance. It's a fragrance. Oh my god, is it Marfa? You guys, it's Marfa. Look. You know I love Marfa. If you've been in the channel for any amount of time, you guys, you know that I love Marfa. I bought this last year, remember, and I wore it around Christmas time when I got back from Miami, and this is the one that I purchased. This is really, really good. Now see, this is the same size that I purchased, and for this little size, it was pretty pricey. This is a beautiful fragrance. It's kind of sexy. When I wore it in Miami, it was very, very long lasting, hot, sexy, all the things. I don't know if it was because it was humid or what, but it was definitely giving those kind of vibes. When I got it home and wore it down in LA, I didn't really smell it that much. I had to spray it really hard. And I spray heavy, and I really didn't spray it that much. So let me give you a few of the notes, because we have them here on our trusty dusty card. So let's see what a few of the notes are. We have Mandarin Orange Blossom. It has Tuberose Absolute. It has Ylang Ylang Sandalwood, Cedarwood Vanilla, White Musk. Let's spray it and see if I can just familiarize myself with it again. As I stated, I wore this last year. I don't think I've reached for it that much this year. It was summer, and I haven't reached for it yet, but let's see. This is what the bottle looks like. This is the same exact size that I have, that I already have. So I am going to spray this. Perhaps this will give a little bit more, and it's a spray and not a roller bottle or ball, which I can appreciate. Oh, it has a really nice mister too. It's just wide. I don't know what's going on with me. What in the heck is happening? Is this Marfa? It is. Oh, okay. Okay, girl. I knew it. I'm like, this is not it. What was the one called that I got? Okay, you guys, back that whole story up. This is not the one that I got. I don't even know what the one is called that I got. I forgot. But this ain't it. This is not it, okay? This smells like, because I was like, what is going on with my scent? This is not it. Oh no. What in the world is this? This smells like outside, and it smells like flowers. But this ain't the one I wore in Miami. This is not it. This is giving zero sexy as well. No, this is not it. She's going to pass on this one. I'm gonna give this to my mom or to somebody. No. Do you love this? Tell me if you have this one and if you love it. If you tried it, this is the name of it. I thought it was something else, but it's actually not. So this is not the one that I had in Miami. This is not the one that I wore. This is not the one that I found to be sexy. This right here is definitely giving me something outside, like flowers. Oh gosh, no, absolutely no. I'll pass. Okay, and that was day 10. Day 10, you can go back. Day 10, you can go back. It's a wrap. Where's your card? It's all the nose. All the nose for me. Let's put that right back. Okay, you guys, we are caught up. We have day 10. Today is Saturday, December 10th, and we are caught up. God willing, tomorrow is day 11, and it looks pretty big. Look at that. This is pretty big, it looks like. So we will definitely unbox that tomorrow. I did get this cute tray from Bloomingdale's as well. When I ordered my advent calendar and some other stuff that I ordered, it came with a free gift with purchase, and then it came with this. So when I'm done with everything, I plan on placing it all here, and then we'll just recap as we go just to see. I did want to link the advent calendar because a few of you were asking about it, but when I went online, it looked like it had been sold out already. So I will check and see if it's back in stock just in case. I will say, for the price that it was, because I got it for, I believe, a couple percentages off, like maybe 25 or so % off. I think I only paid maybe $160 this time around. Don't quote me on that. You already know I'm gonna make something up. But, you know, it was under $200, you know, clearly well under $200. And I have not been disappointed. I mean, fragrances are subjective. You're not gonna always get a fragrance you love. But as far as the skincare goes, I have really been enjoying that. So yeah, all right, let's get this day started. I will see you guys in a bit. Let me make mention of this as well. Everything that I pull from the advent calendar, I know, you know, I like to unbox in the dark or what have you. It's always listed in the description box. It'll just say Bloomingdale advent calendars, and it'll show you what days I pulled. So today in the description box, you can look for day 5 through 10, and it'll list everything that we pulled, just in case you want to check it out. But both of those fragrances were a huge no for me. I'm smelling them both right now. Again, they've been on a while. They're just not my zhuzh. One of them kind of smells like that first one. It's kind of giving flower bomb kind of vibes. Very powdery, florally, a little bit, I think. But the initial was not where it was at. The dry down has been much better. I still don't think I'll reach for it, but it is nice, not gonna lie. Okay.